Welcome back to another episode of Hot Tech Tips at hottechtips.com. We're looking at another CanaKit for the Raspberry Pi 3, and we are going to unbox, unpack, set up. Everything that comes with the CanaKit. Power adapter, Raspberry 3 Pi B, Model B, 2 heat sinks that go on these, and quick start guide. The quick start guide is thin, and the safety guide, be careful, thick. So here are the heat sinks attached. They came with some adhesive on the back. So, and to use with the Raspberry Pi, we bought this 8 gigabyte micro SD, and let's get this out of the package and put into the Raspberry Pi. So one of the first things, or actually the first thing, once you have assembled the Raspberry Pi, is you need to get a beginning operating system on it. And if you'll go to www.raspberrypi.org/help/videos, you'll see that there is a video here called Getting Started with Noobs. And I'll just start a little bit of it. You can see what that's about.
Okay, so you've got yourself.
She's going to show you how to.
How do you get the software that you need to be able to run your Raspberry Pi onto one of these? This is an SD card, and this one happens to be 8 gigabytes in size.
So it's basically step by step.
Same size card.
So up here at the top we have downloads, and then we want to download Noobs. It's the easy installer for Raspbian. Noob stands for New Out-of-the-Box Software. You can purchase pre-installed Noobs SD cards from different places, but we're going to download it and then get it onto the card. And there is the file system type, FAT32. Make sure also that it is formatted and there's no other files on it. So once all of the files are extracted, you can just highlight all of them. If my mouse will work. And then just drag them over to the SD card. And then depending on the speed of your system, it's about a gigabyte of transfer. So it's going to take a little bit of time possibly. After all of the files transfer over, you simply put the SD card into the Raspberry Pi, hook up your keyboard, mouse, Ethernet connection, and the HD display. When you apply power, it will read the information from the SD card, and then it will boot. The 8 gigabyte card goes into slot here. Now we noticed that the card can slip under and in and not go into the micro SD slot, so be careful when you enter it that it's going right into the slot. Okay, so when it goes in, the words go down and the pins face. And here we have our HDMI. We're going to use 2 USB ports here for keyboard, mouse, and Ethernet. Alright, so now all we need to do is plug in our power, and then we'll see what happens on the screen. Power plugs in next to the Ethernet. I mean next to the video. Alright, we have power indicated by the red light there. There's Raspian. Noobs loading. And then we will choose and then choose install. That's about a 3 GB download.